All right, so today we are going to talk about something that I feel that needs to be addressed. It is a very active problem that we're having today in America, more so than other countries such as Africa um, and like Haiti, certain other countries that are slightly underprivileged as far as certain resources and certain things that we have in our country. So basically, I just feel like it's something that needs to be addressed. Um, so the problem that I would like to talk about is obesity. Um, I don't mean to offend anybody first off and foremost. I do not mean this in any way. I mean, what I am specifically targeting when I say obesity is the people whom are to the point that it is starting to cause a problem with their health. Um, Most people don't realize that obesity it can naturally be fixed with one major step, and that is to start eating healthier. You guys may think that what you're eating now is healthy. You may not realize that what you're eating now is unhealthy, but there are certain things that you can do to change that. Um, First and foremost, when you go to a fast food restaurant, let's say you are on your way home and you see a McDonald's or a Wendy's and you pull in. First instinct is to grab a cheap 99-cent cheeseburger because it's quick, it's fast, and it's easy. However, there are many other menu options such as a salad. There's more oftentimes than not some kind of a chicken wrap. I know McDonald's carries a chicken wrap. And instead of choosing a soda, try asking for a water or even maybe an unsweet tea. Some of these options will help to curb your appetite, and they're also much healthier for you. There's also a couple of other things that will help you. When I tell you to start eating healthier, you should never look at it as a diet either. When you go to the doctors and they may tell you that you need to start exercising and start dieting. Exercising is awesome. That will definitely help the problem of obesity in America today. However, exercising alone is not enough. You do need to change essentially what you put into your body. You need to start putting healthier food choices into your body. So my recommendation, first let's look at this. This is a chart that I printed off personally because I have recently started changing the way that I eat. This is the Eat Well plate. Now, if you notice here, we have the fruits and vegetables is a very large portion of this, what you should be eating. And then over on this side, we have your grains, your whole grains, your rices, and your breads, which personally I choose to pretty much cut this in half. I choose to not consume as much. And then down here, you have your different meats. You have your chicken, your steak, pork, whichever kind of meat you choose. And then you have your dairy products such as your milk and your eggs. Eggs are also very good in protein. And then down here you have a very small category of your sugary foods like cake, cookies, ice cream, stuff like that. And the reason being is because this is what we're aiming for right here. We want to consume more of this. And by the way, when you think of 150 calories, say you pick up a snack bar that has 150 calories, chances are that small little snack bar that has 150 calories, you can eat an entire plate, if not an entire bowl of celery or broccoli before you get to that 150 calorie mark. So essentially you could eat more and be healthier. Another thing that I find that helps that I have also used for personal use is a calorie tracker. It does not necessarily have to be this, but something similar to this will help. Here you have the days of the week, and then you have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then here in this section is a calorie tracker, which will also help if you count calories. So basically, in a nutshell, this problem that is rising can change, and it will change, and it starts with you, us, as a society, wanting to eat healthier. And essentially, the outcome will be horrific if we do not start to eat healthier and make a change now. Not only will this problem continue to escalate to a point of death, it can go, you'll have health problems that may or may not last the rest of your life. However, if you do choose to make that change and eat healthier, not only will you be reducing your risk of ever having, certain problems that, interfere with your body and your systems and how things work, you will remain healthy. A lot of vegetables and fruits and stuff of that nature contain a lot of the essential nutrients that we need. So that's very beneficial to our body. So in a nutshell, we can make the change and make a difference and make ourselves healthier. And if we don't, then we'll just continue down that path of a lot of health problems, health risks, possibly death. We don't want that. So with this being said, I hope that you could find some help in this, and definitely eating healthier will change your life. So the choice is yours. Are you going to be in charge of your body and what you put in it, or are you going to let your body be in charge of you? Thanks for listening.